Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Relive. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Relive app and you will click. Then we click on force stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention. Goodbye.